Royal Play Equipment introducing 35mm landscape artificial grass, tailor-made to elevate any outdoor space. Perfectly suited for gardens, balconies, and play areas, our 35mm landscape artificial grass brings the charm of nature right to your doorstep. Who can benefit from this? The answer is simple: anyone. Whether you're a homeowner seeking a low-maintenance lawn or a school administrator aiming to create a safe play environment, our grass is designed for you. Experience the lush look of natural grass without the hassle of maintenance. Enjoy its soft texture underfoot, perfect for lounging and play. Plus, it's pet-friendly, ensuring your furry friends can frolic freely. Now, let's delve into the specifications. With a comfortable 35mm pile height, a density of 13,900, and a Detex of 6,000, our grass offers the perfect balance of comfort and durability. Its vibrant all-green color and two-layer black backing ensure a seamless blend with any outdoor setting. Experience the beauty of nature without the maintenance with Royal Play Equipment's 35mm landscape artificial grass.